doorbell using Quad Store STEM kit. So let's start the video. Let's start the connections. Take the push button and connect the green jumper wire in SIG pin. Now take red jumper wire and connect with FV pin. Take the black jumper wire and connect with ground of the push button. Take the Q-box processor and connect the green jumper wire with A1 pin of the A part. Now take the black wire and connect with ground of the A part. Take the red wire and connect with VCC. Now take the buzzer and connect the green jumper wire with S pin. And take the black wire and connect with negative pin. Again take the Q-box processor and connect the green jumper wire with MA part of the first pin. Now take the black jumper wire and connect the MA part of the second pin. And connect the power supply with the Q-box processor. Now switch on the battery holder.